Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Turn on Wi-Fi and put the phone and laptop on the same network or plug a USB cable. Install the Screen Share app on your phone and the matching client on your laptop, and grant screen capture and microphone permissions when prompted. Once done, make sure battery is above 20% and close background apps to reduce lag. If using USB, enable developer USB debugging on Android. This speeds reliable connection and avoids permission loops. Next, open the phone app and choose Cast or Share Screen. The app scans and shows your laptop. Tap to connect. If you chose USB, plug in and accept the PC's trust prompt, then enable file transfer if required. Some apps use a pairing code. Type it on the laptop client to link devices securely. Once connected, check settings and choose higher resolution for wired or strong Wi-Fi, or lower frame rate to preserve bandwidth when the network is weak. To finish, confirm audio routing so the laptop receives internal audio or your mic. Make that selection in the app and the laptop client. Use full screen and lock phone orientation to avoid accidental rotations, and set both devices to prevent sleep during the session. If the stream drops or is laggy, try toggling Wi-Fi on both devices, restart the apps, replug the USB cable, and then reduce stream quality. This sequence usually resolves connection and performance issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.